Welcome everyone, this is Cook Step by Step. Today we're making a egg and pastrami croissant toast. I cut my croissant in half, I buttered a hot pan, and I'm just gonna let it toast in there until it's golden brown. And now I'm gonna put some cheese on it while it's still hot, so it will start melting. I'm using Mexican cheese, so 2 kinds. I love the color of it. It melts so easy. I'm gonna add oil to the same hot pan, and I will wait to make sure it's hot and ready because I want my egg to fry very quickly. So I just crack it open and let it drop because I want it to be kind of the shape of the croissant and not to spread all over. I just add some seasoning, some pepper and salt. You can add more seasoning if you like. Curry is really good. And I'm just gonna help it to form into somewhat like the croissant. And after that, just cover it with a lid so it slightly cooks on the top but leaves the yolk runny on the inside. So now it's ready, and I will put some mustard on top of my cheese and some horseradish mayonnaise, which I got from Boar's Head, the brand, and just a couple of drops because it is very, very strong. And with the help of a butter knife, I will mix it up just a little bit. I know it does not look very nice, but it will taste very good. And it's on the bottom so no one can actually see it. Here is my pastrami. I got this from Publix, also Boar's Head, and they just season it perfect. It's my favorite brand of pastrami or any kind of ham, and they also don't use any chemicals in it or growth hormones or antibiotics. So Boar's Head is definitely a brand I recommend for ham. And on the side you can see my microgreens. That is something I grew at home. And here's my egg. Yum. And I'm just gonna toss it with the washed chopped microgreens, and it's super delicious, so healthy, full of vitamins, and it's a perfect comfort food for any time of the day, even for dinner. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do try it out and enjoy.